I'll be your friend.
Where'd you put it? Oh, in this next room.
In the bathroom.
Trying to threaten us. Was that a yes?